Welcome everyone to another new video. Today we will discuss a new topic that how you can get pregnant with irregular periods. Besides, we will also discuss what is irregular periods, what will be the causes of irregular periods after short introduction. We all from teenagers to women are familiar with the word period. From age 9 to 15, girls start their monthly period cycle. Normal monthly bleeding from the vagina is known as period. The cycle duration is 24 to 40 days. It is a normal period cycle. Whenever the period cycle gets abnormal consistently, then that is called an irregular period. So, let's get to the point. Irregular period. Different types of irregular periods exist. A period cycle that is not between the length of 24 to 40 days is known as period cycle. If the period cycle consistently get early before 22 to 24 days, get late after 40 days, not getting period for 2 to 3 months, get period 2 times in a month, periods are longer than 7 days. Irregular periods once or twice a year are not a concern, but consistent irregular periods can be caused by different health conditions. It may cause infertility issues. However, you can get pregnant with irregular periods. At first, look at the causes of irregular periods. There are many causes of irregular periods. Following are the main reasons behind irregular periods: overweight or underweight, stress, too much or too little exercise, uterine fibroids, PCOS, that polycystic ovary syndrome, misuse of birth control pills, endometriosis, bad food habit, and thyroid disorders. How to get pregnant with irregular periods? If you are suffering from irregular periods for more than 3 months, immediately visit your doctor. At first, diagnose the underlying causes behind your problem. With medication, if you follow some tips, it will be easy for you to get pregnant along with irregular periods. Eat healthy foods and do regular exercise. It is not easy to get pregnant with irregular periods. You have to eat healthy food which can regulate your period and ovulation. Besides, exercise makes your uterus adaptable for pregnancy. Unprotected sex regularly. Try to do unprotected sex regularly. As with irregular periods, it is difficult to track ovulation. Sometimes many women stop ovulating in some months. So, doing unprotected sex regularly may increase your chance of getting pregnant. Practicing yoga and reduce stress. Yoga makes you more strong and will reduce your stress to some extent. Some yoga poses effectively regulate periods. Begin for those yoga poses. It will help you to get a lot to get pregnant. Track your ovulation. Though with the irregular period, it is difficult to track ovulation. If you track modulation with an ovulation kit, you may get the correct result. By tracking ovulation, you can detect your ovulation period. That will help you to conceive with irregular periods. Include some herbs, foods, and spices in your food list. Ginger, turmeric, unripe papaya, cinnamon, asphadia, blue cohosh, ashwagandha, traceberry, etc. are common herbs to regulate period. Try to include a few of them regularly for certain period. You will be found in regular periods after consistent use. So, with patience, include some of these things in your food schedule. Irregular periods are unpleasant things that no woman doesn't want to face. Conceiving becomes difficult with irregular periods. So, if you face irregular periods at any stage of your life, shortly visit your doctor. Besides, follow our above tips will help you to get a lot with pregnant with irregular period. If you have any question regarding this video, kindly comment below. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to hit the like button. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends. See you in the next video.